Hey, Mahran from MemberStack here, and welcome to this week's Webflow Weekly. In this video, we are going to build a solution to another Webflow form post. In this post, this user is requesting or asking how to display a load pop-up only once per user per session. So something like a newsletter pop-up that would only show up once per user per session. So from the looks of this, I can already see that this is probably going to require a cookie of some sort or local storage. And we are probably going to require a short script in order to make this work. From the very bottom over here, I can also see that the user set the time limit for this pop-up to be around 60 days. So that's something we're going to work with as well. So just jumping into Webflow, I have a modal that I created over here that we are going to work with. So we're going to generate a script for this as simple as possible, and then we are going to test it out and hopefully get this solution working. For this, I'm going to use Cursor. I'm just going to start off with, firstly, I'm going to grab my HTML that I've already created for this modal, and then that's what I'm going to use for Cursor as a reference. Okay. So my modal starts over here. I'm just going to grab that and then head back over to Cursor. So inside Cursor, what we want to do is, so right now I'll give it the modal that I've created, and what I don't want to do is create a script that will use classes. Instead, I will use attributes. So I'll also mention that so that we generate a script with only attributes. For anyone else that is cloning or using this clonable, if you ever change out the classes for the modal, then nothing in the script will break. The reason I tell the AI that this is not a member script is because this is my workspace where I create a bunch of member scripts. So just so that we do not get member script 222, I will just create a generic script for this solution. I think this would be a good starting point. That's quite a lot, but let's see. From here, we will then get a script that we'll use on our site that will also target all of the attributes on the modal. So you can see that this is giving us attributes instead, and that's what I will add to the modal as well. So we will be adding data modal, and that will be newsletter. And then our close button will be data modal close. Our close button over here. And form, data modal form. Our form element is in here. Okay, that should be all the attributes that we need. So from this, we can see how this might work. On the page, the script will check for the newsletter modal dismissed cookie, if that cookie exists, meaning if the user dismissed or submitted it within 60 days, then the modal will stay hidden. The script will exit immediately. So if no cookie is found, will be shown after a 3-second delay. Okay, that's fine. When a user dismisses the modal, with the close button, clicking the backdrop overlay, pressing the escape, or submitting the form, the cookie will will expire in 60 days. Modal won't appear after the cookie expires. Okay, so things that a user can change are the cookie days. So how many days before the modal will show again? So that is set to 60 currently, as well as the show delay. So after 3 seconds. So we're just going to take this script and see if this actually works. So I'm just going to copy that over to my site. This is currently on the home page, and if you had this site-wide, then you'd add this site-wide. But for this case, I'm just going to add it to the page settings for this page. So, okay. Let's test it out and see if this solution works. First things first, what I didn't like was the little glitch in the beginning where I saw the modal first, then the 3-second delay, and then the modal appeared. So from this, I can see that the modal wrapper probably has to be by default set to display none so that we do not have that flicker in the beginning. And then, okay, so the modal does pop up if I dismiss it like this, and then I can check my cookies to see if that actually worked. Okay, I have a record here for the modal, and that is set for a period of 60 days. Let's fix the flicker first and then test it out again. But I wonder if, since I already hit it here and then I published it, if that will work fine. But for this to work, I need to first clear the cookies. Okay, just gonna delete that key and then refresh the page. Okay, wait 3 seconds. Perfect. So we didn't have to tweak the script. So by default, the modal inside of Webflow just needs to be set to display none. So now we have a pop-up that appears once per user per session and will stay hidden for a period of 60 days. To test this out and to make sure that it fully works, after a period of 60 days, I want to see if this will still appear. So I'm going to simulate the 60-day period and then test it out to see if the modal will actually show up after 60 days. We have a couple of options that we can try, and I will test this one out with the DevTool console. Cookie stored inside of my browser, so if I can just simulate the 60-day period passing and then refresh the page. Okay, that showed up again. Dismiss it, cookie has been set, refresh page. No. Why is that showing up? Okay, so another issue, I see that the cookie now shows up even though I have dismissed it. So if I can refresh the page, you can see that this still shows up and doesn't disappear. And now I fully can't close it in order to dismiss the cookie. So I'm just going to go back to cursor and see how we can test that out. So before even simulating the time again, let's see what we can fix within the script. So 2 problems, the close button is nested. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if this solves all our issues. I'm going to delete the cookie again and then just refresh the page and test this out again. So after 3 seconds, we should see the pop-up. Okay. Dismiss the pop-up. Yes, that works. And then the third thing is we have this as a cookie. Yes, that works. If I refresh the page, I should not be able to see that again. Okay, that works. Yes, but I still get a flicker of the pop-up, which is something I do not need. And now, hopefully this is our final tweak and we have a solution to this. That's a very short script, which is a good sign. I am going to set this to display none. This is probably why I got the flicker in the first place. Publish that. And the final test. Okay, so I'm going to delete the cookie again. Refresh the page. 3 seconds and I should see the pop-up. Okay, that works. And then I'm going to refresh the page again. No flicker. Wait 3 seconds. Yes. And the modal doesn't pop up. Great. Okay, so now our solution actually works. We have a modal that will appear for a user once per session, and that information will be stored as a cookie. And then after 60 days, this cookie will show up again. Okay, hope you enjoyed this little Webflow Weekly, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.